our table with Emmy Girl.
Hey, Emmy Girl. Hi, guys. Today we're going to do fill in the digraphs. We're going to learn our CH and SH words.
Yeah, I know.
You know these?
Those are digraphs.
Those are digraphs. Good job. So we're going to do this worksheet. We're going to have fun and we're going to learn. You ready? Let's go, kid. All right, everyone, let's get started with our digraphs. It says fill in the digraphs. So the digraphs, I'm going to write them on the top of the paper. What color do I want to use today? Let's use red. The digraphs, because you can't really see them in the corner. So these are the digraphs. I'm going to write them right here. It's going to be CH/SH. Okay? So we're going to look at the pictures and we're going to use the clues. We're not going to get on the first time, guys, but the key to learning is repetition. We want to keep trying, keep practicing, and then our brains will recognize the work that we did, okay? So what is this a picture of?
Ship.
Okay, so what does ship start with? A CH or an SH?
SH.
There we go. And you're not gonna, you're not gonna get it perfect the first try, or you might not remember it the first time, but the more we do these homework sheets and the more we watch these YouTube videos, the better you're gonna get. Good job. So that's the digraph. SH. Shh, shh, shh. SH, always make shh no matter what word it is. Ship. Okay, so let's keep practicing. Let's move on to this word. I almost said it. Oh my gosh. What does that look like? Shoe. So then what does it start with?
SH.
Good job. So you see how SH always makes the shh, shh, shh sound? Like shh, quiet in the library. Shh, quiet in the classroom. Okay, let's try this. What is that a picture of?
That's a picture of hospital.
No, close. No, close. So where do you go to pray?
Oh, church.
So what is church? Which one is that, SH or CH?
CH.
Good job.
CH says ch.
Good job. All the time. CH
like
always
cheese.
does. Good job. Like cheese. Good job. What is that a picture of?
Cheesy.
Cheesy. What is that a picture of?
A throne.
A throne. That's so extra. No, that's a picture of a simple, that's too much a throne. A throne is where a king sits or a queen.
Yeah.
That's just a picture of a simple what?
Chair.
Good job. You're so silly. So what does a chair make? Good job. Good job. All right, let's fly through this. You're doing good now. What is that a picture of?
Piranha.
No. A great white.
A great white fish.
Great white. They eat things in the ocean. They got big teeth. What is it a picture of?
A shark.
Yes, it's a shark.
That doesn't even look like a shark.
Well, that's okay. What is a shark? Shark.
SH.
SH. Good job. Good job. Next, what is that a picture of?
A shovel.
Sorry, we can do that. I went over here. That is a shovel. Good job. What is that a picture of?
Shell.
Good job. What is a shell? SH. Good job. And you are correct. That is a shovel. What is shovel?
SH.
I think it's CH.
No.
No, I just tricked you. I want to see if you know. Good job. I was tricking you. You're right. It's SH. I wanted to know if you knew. Good job, Emmy girl. And what is this a picture of?
A cherry.
A cherry. What is cherry? Up here.
Oh.
That's the cherry. That's okay. You can leave that.
Yeah, because that's
CH2. Because what is that?
Cheese.
Chicken. Lava. All right, so you can write CH on both of those. What's that song from? Minecraft movie?
Yeah, Minecraft.
Oh, chicken.
I love that Minecraft movie. It's so
Me
good.
too. All right. What is this a picture of?
A wig.
It is a wig.
It is?
But it has an arrow pointing to something on the face.
Chin.
Chin. What is chin?
SH.
Nope, that would be shin.
Chin.
Chin.
I mean.
CH? Good job. Go ahead, write it in. It's okay to get confused.
That's a shin over there.
That's a shin. Above your feet is your shin. Below your knee, that's your shin. Come on.
Like for us?
Gotta keep them focused, parents. We gotta keep them focused. Sometimes I get unfocused too and I start talking about lava chicken. All right. Last two, let's go.
I want lava chicken.
You do them yourself and see if you get them right.
T-shirt.
Well, yeah, shirt.
Oh. SH.
Very good.
Chest.
Chest.
Lava.
Good job. Hopefully we get more homeworks like this for Emmy Girl. We can do more of these so we can keep practicing them. Good job. Hope you had fun, guys. Thank you. This is a short, quick, easy video. If you like our content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We have fun with Emmy Girl. We have fun with you guys. Thank you.